Today, we're diving deep into how to successfully sell digital products on Shopify, covering everything from setting up your product listings to ensuring secure delivery for your customers. Let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify admin and click on Products in the left-hand menu, then select Add Product. Here, you'll fill out your product's title, a compelling description, and your pricing. Think about what makes your digital offering unique and clearly communicate its value. Under Product Organization, it's a good idea to set your product type to something like digital download or ebook, and add relevant tags like online course or printable. This helps with internal organization and customer searchability. Now, the crucial part for digital products is managing the actual file. Scroll down to the product information section. If you don't see a section for digital products, don't worry, we'll address that next. Shopify doesn't have built-in file delivery for digital products, so we'll use an app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for digital downloads or digital delivery. There are several excellent apps available. Popular choices include Shopify's own digital downloads app, Sendal, or Fetch app. For this tutorial, we'll assume you've chosen and installed an app. Once an app is installed, your app product page will likely gain a new section. Look for a checkbox labeled "This is a digital product" or a similar option. Tick this box. You'll then see an option to add a file. Click this and upload your digital product. This could be a PDF guide, a zip file of templates, a music track, or anything you're selling. Your chosen app will then handle the secure delivery of this file to your customer after purchase. Usually, there's a simple configuration step within the app itself to ensure the file is correctly linked to the product. With your digital file uploaded and linked, your product is now ready for customers to discover, purchase, and download securely. Congratulations! You've just learned how to sell digital products on Shopify. By following these steps and utilizing a reliable app, you can effectively offer your downloadable goods and expand your e-commerce business.